This is Atlanta Specialty Woods, and they are awesome. This is Christian. He owns the place. This is the Bobby Jones house. It's the Atlanta Homes Holiday Show House this year, and the boys are in the shop, and they have been making something very special for it. They are planning, measuring, cutting, sawing, routing, gluing, assembling, clamping, nailing, puttying, sanding, sculpting, staining, mixing, spraying, and shading. Look at that beautiful beam. So here we are, the Bobby Jones Holiday Show House. Christian and his team get to work staging the box beams in the master bedroom. Put that ASW sticker on there and make sure the client is happy. Indeed they are. Job well done. And 2 weeks later, the room is set and the box beams are in place. Look at that work. Exquisite. That's how Atlanta Specialty Woods does it. Let them do it for you too. Seriously,